Well, this is a video that I wish that my younger self had have seen from my older self. So I'm making it now for maybe somebody else's younger self. I knew that when I retired, I wanted to learn how to quilt. So I bought a lot of fabric. Excuse my Anki quilts. Um, Leading up to my retirement, it's like if I liked it, I bought it. These are kind of like some scraps. There may be some on some boards in here that I just couldn't get in here. Um, there's more and more and more. This is 2 layers deep right here, and the back layer is standing up all the way across. But wow, yeah, this is a lot of fabric. Now, what my younger self should have known is that, say, certain prints, while you might have liked them when you bought them 20 years ago, that when you retired, they might not be your style, your colors. What I wish I had thought of were good solids and blenders. If they had grunge back then, I would have probably had a bolt of every color. But good blenders. That's what I would have stocked, because when I go to do a quilt, I have a lot of prints that it's kind of hard to incorporate. So, I mean, granted, a lot of these were when I was sewing doll clothes or during the mask craze, but I have a lot of fabric that just really doesn't go with each other very well. So, I had seen years ago, and it was in the middle of the night. I woke up one year, and there was a quilting show on, and it was like, nobody wants your crap. You know what I'm saying? And she was talking about your old quilting cottons and how nobody really wants it. I mean, especially when you got, prints you can't buy anymore, and you don't have enough to make an entire quilt or whatever. And it's like, what do you do with all of this? And she actually was explaining how she was using them to make scrap quilts. So I've been really wanting to try to do some scrappy quilts, but that is, I don't know. It's just so foreign to my brain. It really is. So I really just don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I know that I have some coordinated quilts in here because I've already pulled fabrics for some before, and I just need to do some more. But I'm just gonna keep going. You know, I'm gonna do some scrappies. I'm gonna do quilt blocks as I learn to quilt. But if I were my young self looking for advice on what to stock my shelves with as far as fabric to build a nice fabric stash, it would be the things like the grunges or the low volume backgrounds, which I really only have a couple of low volume backgrounds, and I can't even spot one right now, but I know I know I have some. So Just think about your purchases. Do the wise thing, because someday you may be my age and go, why the heck did I buy that piece of fabric, and what the heck am I going to do with it now? So that's just a piece of advice that I would give you now, to try to find out what to do with all these, right? I guess scraps are in. I will talk to you later. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Bye.